Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, February the 5th, and this is the Futures in 5, taking a look at what the buyers are doing in this market space, just continuing to press us up and forward with this moving average staying quite a bit flat, and this just shove up right into this auction vacuum here. Is there the potential that we come all the way to 27.72? Yeah. It sure is. There is certainly that potential event. Anytime we have auction vacuums of significance, that occurs. And so this is what we're seeing here. What are we looking for? Pullbacks, equal buy zones. Could we be in some sort of exhaustion patch? Yes, we absolutely could be. But you can't jump in front of a freight train, right? This is just continually moving up, and we've got to pay attention to that, all right? So levels for the breakout, if we can breach above 27.31 and then come back and hold 27.28, 27.26, any of those places right there will be in fairly good shape for upside pressure. For the NQ, it's the same sort of thing. Here's the next line in the sand at 69.84, 69.87, something like that. If it can push forward above that area, pull back and hold it, still upside pressure across the board. Folks that are trying to get in front of shorts here, listen, I have a bearish bias. I do. I believe that this chart could go all the way up to here and still break down. But am I going to get in front of this? No, I'm going to do with the market what it gives me the opportunity to do. I'm not going to waste time waiting around for something else. I'm going to make hay while the sun shines, okay? And so that says I'm moving up through this channel here. I've got a gap entry here and a punch up into massive exhaustion all the way to the north at 71.70. Right now, what's it telling me? Pullbacks or buy zones. My breakout area is way down here at 68.26, but I can see a new line in the sand forming around a pretty familiar number, and that's 68.64. Why are we looking at daily charts if we're intraday traders? Because what the bigger time frames are doing is far more important in terms of how we are able to position ourselves well during the trading day. That's just the way it works, folks. This old resistance coming in as new support, 69.40, next line in the sand, and then, you know, we try to get up and over here. And we'll see how we do today. For the YM, same sort of thing. Here's the big candle. All of the charts show this very big candlestick, and then the failed press upward that sends us to the south. It's just as easy as this. If you're above your moving average, you're going to have bullish motion, and that bullish motion is going to give you the least risk if you wait for a pullback to establish support before moving forward. Okay, today for the YM, that's going to be, 370 maybe. So we'll have to see what goes on there, but pullbacks are buy zones, folks. No ifs, ands, or buts. This one, a little messy, right? We've crossed this region several times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, and now we're coming to old resistance, new support. Here's the thing. Every single time we've come back here, we've bounced. Are we going to do it this time? I have no idea. The chatter is bullish, 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 and then, whoever writes whatever article for the morning, they look at things and they say, oh, it's down on the basis of, it's just grabbing things out of a hat, essentially. And so what we have to look at is old resistance, new support, breaking those support zones fairly strongly in my mind, and then holding deeper support. What's the slope of this motion? It's upside. Are we far away from the moving average? Yes. Could we come into that moving average? Yes. Could we be holding another trend line? Yes. So what do we do? If we have all these things in play, and we could have this trend line, we could have a trend line that's even closer than that, all kinds of things. What we have to do is say, wait, where were all the buyers and sellers? And where were they mostly buyers after they were sellers? And that's where you would go long. If you want to go long up here, where everybody's been selling, then prepare to exercise a big risk event. Gold, gold is in a bullish formation, right? We've moved contracts, we're up over here, it's filled in the gap, and now it's fading into old support areas. Now, do we just go, hey, I'm going long gold? You can, but the question is, where's the big picture for what's occurred in the last few motions? It's down here at 1302. We've got another one at about 1309. If we bounce here and we cannot get up over 1322, we're very likely to have more downside motion. All right, that's it. Good luck trading today. Keep alert. Quick trades going to be the best things for us right now. Support to resistance, resistance to support. Overall trend is bullish, so don't think about shorting. And if you do end up shorting and you notice it's not going down, how about trimming that and then just preparing for a risk event in the event that it occurs? Take care.